Good morning, everyone. It is 8:14 in the morning, so excuse how I look. We are getting up to head out to the farm to mow and take care of the fish that we just got, dump them in the ponds. Right now I'm making the bed, and then I just gotta grab a few things and we'll be on the road. We got the kids this weekend, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record, but I'll try. I'm so tired. Hey guys, we made it to the farm. He's already started mowing, and it rained a lot here at the farm, and I kind of want to get on the four-wheeler and go look at our creek that we have. So let's go do that. Let's go take a four-wheeler ride. I'm just sitting here on the four-wheeler. It's not working. Nope, not working. And he's mowing over there, but I want to be a respectable girlfriend, so I'm going to wait until he makes his way around here to mow, so I don't interrupt him, because I don't know what I'm doing. I look super tired, and I am. Babe! Babe! Baby! Babe! I swear, if I get up and walk all the way over there and he starts his mower up again, I'm gonna kill him. To be continued. Started it back up. I mean, he just looks so at peace. I don't want to ruin his peace. Oh my god. Love my life, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if he even realizes that I'm over here. Hello, I need rescuing. Stop! It didn't start! I tried so many times. I'm done. I want to go home. He took it. He took it. He's mudding right now. There's water up there. Oh, fuck. I'm not giving me a damn heart attack. god. Oh. So all of that is ours as well, but as you can see, it's been washed out and we haven't been able to get over there for like 2 months. Every time it rains, this creek gets washed out and you can't go over there. So this is my grandpa's farm. This is a farm that you will hear us talk about a lot. Randy's family owns the farm as well, but as of right now, we take care of my grandpa's farm because he is in a nursing home and there is nobody who will take care of it. So me and Randy love grandpa to death, and it has been our family, and it's going to be ours, and whenever we get married it's going to be his as well. So this is like I showed you with the washout and the one over there, and then the field coming into it, and then we have 2 more fields on this farm alone. There's 3 ponds, a creek, a lot of wildlife, but I don't know how many acres we have, but I'm pretty sure Randy knows. Let's go ask him. How many acres is the farm?
78.86.
How many ponds do we have?
Huh?
How many ponds do we have?
3, 4 really. 3 that hold water. 1 disappointment.
That was it. I really just want to know how many acres was in it. Anything you want to say about the farm?
I love it out here. It's God's country. I just feel like it's mine. So, you know, I take care of it like I would if my name was on the deed. So, yeah, that's it. All right, what are you gonna do with all this?
He needs to go back in the car.
Okay. Let's do that.
What, pull out the mower or put that back in the car?
Both.
So part of what we do here is my grandpa was like a hoarder, and all over this farm you will find cars, mowers, just a bunch of stuff. And I'm gonna pull out this mower. So we clean it up, got the little 4-wheeler. We clean it up. I think that Randy's gonna want to try to work on that one. And I don't know if you can see, but there's another mower over there. Grandpa did not believe in throwing away anything. I mean, there's a camper right there. There's a car right there, and that's just in this little vicinity. Right back here, you can see right there is where the old house was before or after it burned up. You can see Grandpa's camper back. Like, there's just so much stuff here, and we already took a lot of stuff to the scrapyard. But I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and try to pull this out, or if I want to wait or if I want to wait on Randy. I think I'm gonna give it a go, and if I can't, then I'll just pretend like I didn't do anything. Let's try this. It would help if I had... Take 2.